how to subscribe to or unsubscribe from a section on Substack. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are guiding you through the process for that you can follow up to unsubscribe or subscribe them. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can go ahead and open up the publication, because some Substack have multiple sections like news, podcasts, premium, etc. So we can open up the publication, for example this, and head over to the page and click on this option called subscribe for that and subscribe it. If options appear, you can choose specific sections if the writer has enabled it, and that way you should be able to subscribe it. And if you want to unsubscribe it, all you gotta do is go to your settings, go to profile, and look out for read section, and there you can look out for the subscription and click on it and look out for unsubscribe. Otherwise, you can head over to more or edit profile, and within edit profile also we can scroll down, and when we do, we'll be finding subscriptions here that we can turn off. We can turn this option off for the subscriptions that you've done and manage a subscription that way for the publication that you would like to do. And not all the publications offer section level control. If sections are not available, we can only stay subscribed to everything or unsubscribed fully, and that way only you can do it. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.